I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sex.
From the start of the morning session, Yamaha immediately executed a high-intensity testing program. TOPRAK was seen completing numerous laps without a long break. The primary focus was not simply on achieving the fastest time, but also on understanding the characteristics of the new V4 engine, its power distribution, braking, and the bike's behavior on the latest generation of Pirelli tires. Unlike most MotoGP riders who are still adapting to the characteristics of these tires, TOPRAK appeared completely natural. His years of experience in World SBK enabled him to quickly find the maximum grip limit without requiring much adjustment. Several sources in the paddock noted that TOPRAK's corner entry style remains a most impressive sight. He continues to rely on a very aggressive braking style, allowing the rear wheel to slide slightly before steering the bike to the apex with great precision. This technique has been his trademark for years, and is particularly effective on Pirelli tires. Now, this style is being combined with the characteristics of Yamaha's V4 engine, which offers stronger acceleration than the previous configuration. What further enthused Yamaha's engineers was TOPRAK's consistency throughout the long simulation run. He was able to maintain a fast pace for many laps, without experiencing a significant drop in performance. This is an important indicator that the combination of the V4 motorcycle and Pirelli tires is starting to find the balance Yamaha was hoping for. In terms of acceleration, changes in the motorcycle's character are also starting to become apparent. The V4 engine delivers more explosive power when exiting corners. TOPRAK appears more confident opening the throttle earlier, while the motorcycle remains stable and minimizes excessive spin. Yamaha engineers are reportedly continuing to collect data on traction, engine braking, and power distribution to refine the motorcycle's package for future development. TOPRAK's extensive experience using Pirelli tires is also a significant plus for Yamaha. While most MotoGP riders are still adapting to a new tire supplier, TOPRAK comes with years of experience. This is believed to help Yamaha accelerate the motorcycle's development process for the new regulation era. The first day of testing is indeed just the beginning. Much work remains to be done, from refining the electronics and chassis balance to efficient tire usage in race simulations. The paddock. Will TOPRAK's dominance on Pirelli tires be repeated when the new regulations are officially implemented? Can Yamaha leverage the experience of the Superbike world champion to catch up and even surpass its rivals? And here is the full news. The MotoGP world is once again abuzz with talk of Yamaha's major project in preparation for the new era of MotoGP. As new regulations begin to become the focus of development for all manufacturers, Toprak Razgatlioglu's name is once again at the center of attention. Many believe that if Razgatlioglu undergoes a private test session in Valencia on the Yamaha V4 850 cubic centimeters prototype, it will be one of the most exciting moments in the development of the next generation motorcycle. This is not without reason. Over the years in World Superbike, Razgatlioglu has been known as a rider capable of maximizing the characteristics of Pirelli tires to their fullest potential. His aggressive riding style, very late braking, and ability to maintain balance on corner entry have led many observers to consider him one of the best riders to utilize Pirelli tires. This extensive experience is expected to be a significant advantage as MotoGP enters a new era. Valencia is an ideal circuit for testing the new generation of motorcycles. The track's layout, filled with technical corners, allows engineers to evaluate almost every aspect of the bike, from stability under braking, acceleration out of corners, rapid changes of direction, and tire performance in long-distance simulations. Therefore, if Yamaha does conduct testing there, every lap will yield invaluable data. The biggest focus will undoubtedly be on the 850 cubic centimeters V4 engine currently being developed by Yamaha. This engine is projected to offer a significantly different character compared to previous generations of Yamaha motorcycles. More aggressive power distribution, stronger acceleration, and more explosive corner exit characteristics are the engineer's primary targets. However, high power alone is not enough. The motorcycle must also remain easy to control for riders with extreme riding styles like TOPRAK. Given TOPRAK's current riding style, this combination has the potential to produce a highly competitive package. He is known for braking deeply without losing control, maintaining stability when entering corners, and then opening the throttle early when exiting corners. This technique requires a perfect balance between the chassis, electronics, engine, and tires. If Yamaha can combine all these elements, the 850 cubic centimeters V4 motorcycle could pose a serious threat to its rivals. In addition to focusing on engine performance, engineers are also expected to collect various data on suspension performance, weight distribution, engine braking, traction control, and tire behavior after many laps. All of this information will form the basis for determining the direction of future development before the motorcycle is actually used in official competition. TOPRAK's experience as a Superbike world champion is also a huge plus. Over the years, he has experienced a variety of track characteristics, weather conditions, and Pirelli tire types. His ability to provide detailed feedback to engineers is often considered one of his greatest strengths. He can feel every small change on the bike within just a few laps, making the development process much more efficient. On the other hand, Yamaha also faces significant challenges. MotoGP competition is never easy. Ducati, KTM, Aprilia, and Honda are all working tirelessly to develop their bikes to meet the new regulations. Therefore, every testing session is crucial. A small step in development today could be a significant advantage when the season begins. Many observers believe that the collaboration between Yamaha and TOPRAK has enormous potential. If the bike can develop as expected and the tire characteristics truly suit his riding style, Yamaha has the potential to compete at the front again. This project is not just about producing a faster bike, but also about building a package that is consistent, easy to ride, and competitive on a variety of circuits. Ultimately, all eyes are now on how Yamaha will refine its 850 cubic centimeters V4 project in the coming months. If all development goes according to plan, it's possible that the new era of MotoGP will bring even fiercer competition. And if TOPRAK can truly unleash his full potential on the new bike, his rivals will surely have to start preparing for one of the most talented riders in the world.